San Francisco's district attorney is facing a recall.
San Franciscans don't feel safe.
Mobs of looters storming and ransacking high-end stores in the San Francisco area.
Are so fed up with all the crime, they're actually hiring their own security services.
A lot of us don't plan on living here in the future.
Shall Chesa Boudin be recalled from the office of district attorney?
I just ordered this shirt. I can't give it a true user review yet. That said, I'm thrilled this was available for purchase. Chesa may be the worst DA San Francisco has ever had. Seriously, the guy seems crazy. Like he's working for the criminals and not the rest of the citizens of SF crazy. I can't explain his antics to my family elsewhere in the country without their heads turning sideways in disbelief. Anyway, if you're reading this, thanks. And recall Chesa.